How to turn off auto updates on Play Store of apps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we need to simply open Play Store. After that you guys will simply click on top right corner profile pic. Now you guys will see manage apps and device notification and other things, but we will simply click on settings. Here you guys will see general, network preference, family, about. So we will click on network preferences. Now it will say app download preference, auto update apps, auto play videos. So you guys will click on second one, auto update apps. Here you guys will see update all apps or Wi-Fi or mobile data, update with limited amount of mobile data. Also you guys will see don't auto update apps. So you will simply select that. I have already selected it. You guys will select that don't auto update apps. So once you select it, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.